Hello, and happy Monday. Monday is the best day of the week. And I'm on my way to a customer to pick up a beautiful rug. Hello. Happy Monday to everyone that's still in bed. So today, PetPeePee cleaning this Chinese rug. Then it smelled horrible, really bad, from dogs. So I flood the rug with my blended minerals. Look how pure it is. And the vacuum from under the rug will do the miracle. This cleaning process will repeat itself many times until my invention, the tube, will be clear. It takes many cleaning process, many cycles, till the tube will shows me then it's a perfectly clean. Then I know the rug is clean. And because my cleaning product is from the Dead Sea, then it odor free completely. I never deposit any unpleasant smell into the rug. Not a Chanel 5, no Estee Lauder, none. Cleaning Oriental rug naturally for your grandchildren and you walking barefoot on the natural cleaning product. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.